Mr. President, I address you today as the United Nations Youth Delegate of the Republic of Slovenia, and I look forward to joining you later this month at the Human Rights Council session in Geneva in person for the first time since the establishment of the position in my country in 2014. Madam Special Reporter, I would like to welcome your latest report. The right to education is one of the basic human rights rooted in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and therefore must be respected, protected, and fulfilled also in the digital environment. We agree that education must address the essential features of availability, accessibility, acceptability, and adaptability. While digital technologies in education can bring important benefits, they cannot solve on their own the many challenges the education systems are facing. Your report points out that the lack of infrastructure, lack of digital skills, and social inequality can enlarge the gap between the privileged segment of societies and others. I would like to particularly emphasize also the digital divide between urban and rural areas. Slovenia has recently introduced free digital courses and digital vouchers to help children, youth, and older persons to improve their level of digital literacy. Keeping this in mind, Madam Special Reporter, could you please elaborate how youth can help educational institutions in providing better infrastructure and environment in which digital education would foster social inclusion and mental health of those in the educational process?